In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view file activity history in Google Drive. This is a simple way to see who did what with a file and when, which is helpful for tracking edits, confirming share changes, or troubleshooting when something seems to have moved or been renamed unexpectedly. We're not changing anything about the file here, just opening a clear timeline of actions. First, sign into Google Drive in your web browser. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're in the right one so you're looking at the correct files. A stable internet connection helps the activity panel load quickly, especially for files with a long history or a lot of collaboration. Next, navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to review. Take a moment to confirm the file name and location, particularly if there are similar versions in different folders. If it's part of a shared drive, remember that what you see may depend on your permissions and your organization settings. Now, right-click on the file. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same, and on some keyboards you can hold Control and click. This opens a context menu with options specific to that item. From that menu, choose File Information. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. It typically includes two sections, Details and Activity. Details covers basics like the file type, size, location, and ownership. For our purpose today, we want the timeline. Click on Activity. You'll now see a chronological list of actions tied to this file. Common entries include when the file was created or uploaded, edits made by collaborators, comments or suggestions, renames, moves between folders, share setting changes, and ownership updates. Each entry shows who performed the action and the exact time it happened. If the file is a shortcut, the activity usually reflects the original file, so don't be surprised if the timeline references another location. If there's very little or no activity, the panel may be brief. This often happens with newly uploaded or rarely accessed items. A few quick tips as you review the timeline. If you can't see much information, you might only have limited access to the file, and some events may be hidden by your organization's policies. Give the panel a moment to populate for very active files. And remember, the activity view is informational. Use it to understand what happened, not to make changes. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open the right folder, right-click the file, go to File Information, and click Activity to view the history. This gives you a reliable snapshot of the file's lifecycle at a glance.